Oh, perfect. G'day everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, this is a meal for one, a meal for me, and a really simple, I guess, bistro classic. Beautiful pan-fried fish with some lemon butter sauce and some beautiful baby peas. It's fresh, it's vibrant. It's a great way to eat a delicious fish like this John Dory that I've got here. It's clean, it's light, and I think this is one of the best ways to eat fish like this. And it's simple. There's only like 6 ingredients, so that's what we like, easy, simple food. Might as well get started. I've got some water on the boil because I'm gonna just blanch the peas in there. I've got a pan on the stove getting nice and hot for the fish. You can obviously extend this out as big as you would like for as many people as you would like, but it's just me today, so well, me and you guys. So we're gonna just do one little fillet. But what I'm gonna do is just dust the fillet just lightly with a little bit of flour. So just some plain flour, just dust it on there. And this will give it just a little, I guess, crust or crumb, which would be quite nice. So just sort of spread it out. You don't want too much on there. Doesn't need to be crazy. This is a beautiful piece of fish. Look at that. It's so delicate. Another great fish you could use for this would be flounder, would be really, really nice, or sole, or any of those sort of flatter fishes. Skate wings would be lovely too. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, we got that floured. I've got some oil. I'm gonna go into the pan with some oil. Non-stick pan makes life a little bit easier. Salt, season each side of the fish, even though it's come out of the sea. Just needs a little something. And this pan should be nice and hot. Just give it a little dust off. And there we go. Yeah, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. That's what we want. We just want to get a really nice, light, golden color on each side. You saw that fillet, it's only like a centimeter thick, not even. So it's not gonna take long to cook it all. This is quick, fast, tasty food. Got a little fish flipper here. Just making sure there's some connection with the pan. Just roll that around a bit. Yum. This is good. Now, I know there's many ways to cook fish, but doing it simply like this really allows the fish to sing. But gosh, my other favorite way to cook fish is in my baked fish dish, which I've done before on this channel, so make sure you check it out. Baked fish, tomatoes, olives. It's absolutely delicious. Again, it's one of those sort of one pan wonders that you can share with a lot of people or you can make just for yourself. Let's have a little look at this. Yeah, it's almost there. See, this is how quick we're talking here. Just want to get a little crispy crumb on it. Lightly golden, nothing crazy. Get right underneath it. Look at that. Ready? Whoop. Oh, perfect. That is the color we're looking for. It's nothing too crazy. Just the color of honey, really. And, oh, perfect. Got a very nice plate here. Look at that. That is a fish plate if I've ever seen one. And we're gonna pop the fish right on there when it's done. And it's gonna be just done. And then we're gonna go in with our butter, in with some salt, in with a lemon, stop that cooking process, blanch the peas, peas go round, sauce goes over the top. Happy days. Okay, I think we're good. It's so simple. Yum. Again, I'm just gonna season quickly with some salt, just because it will like it. And then we're gonna go in with the butter. The pan is quite hot. I'm just gonna turn it down. I'm gonna be generous with the butter here. Same pan. It's all good. Oh, the smell. The smell, so good. Caramelizing butter, wow. Lemon. Don't want any seeds in there, so just make sure you're careful of that. Swish it around a little bit. Now here you just want to watch it. You don't want the butter to burn. You just want it to start taking on a little bit of nutty characteristics. So just when it starts to foam, look at that. It smells so good, oh my gosh. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Another lick of heat. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna bang it in with some lemon. Watch out for the sizzle. Another good whack of lemon. You want it quite lemony. I don't think there's been one seed in this lemon, which is exactly what I want. That's beautiful. And then that fish is just gonna cop a little drenching of that sauce. We can't forget the peas. Peas knees. We're just gonna go into a little bit of boiling water just to blanch quickly. Oh, a couple more. There we go. One landed in the pan. Oh my gosh. Get rid of that guy. Wow, where's my scooper? Fish is looking good. Peas are looking good. Really quickly blanch them. I don't want them to get mushy or wrinkly like an old man's toes. Yeah, they're looking good, okay. Yes. Drain that water off, and then just peas, sort of around the outside. There you have it. This should have been called a 5-minute meal. A beautiful piece of John Dory, pan fried, lemon butter, fresh baby peas, just blanched. That is smelling delicious. It's looking delicious. You can serve it with a little extra lemon if you think it needs it, but that's gonna be spot on in the sunshine. If you want to grab the recipe, head on over to the website, www.haydenquinn.com.au. It'll be over there, plus a whole heap more. Over on Instagram, we got reels coming out of our ears. They're all fun, they're all easy, they're really simple, just like this. So happy cooking, and I'll see you in the kitchen very soon.